everybody, it is when XP Kid here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own YouTube channel. So go to YouTube, go to your account, go to settings, and when you're in settings, you will see down here, see all my channels or create new channel, and plus create a new channel. And here, just make your own channels. Just put your channel's name. And yeah, when you press create, it will create the channel. And then you can post your videos and stuff. And I will try making some gaming videos and some Minecraft gaming videos too. I'll try. Just by how I record. I can't really record with audio because it sounds really weird, like buffery and glitchy and stuff. So I'm trying to fix that. And if you guys like this video and if it helped you out, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. Bye!